G'day, I'm Steve G, the National Product Manager for Summit Steel & Wire. Today I'll be taking you through our newest release to market, the new steel post assemblies. There are three different styles of assembly: the end stay assembly, the corner stay assembly, and the box stay assembly. As you can see, they're all packaged into easy to handle and transportable bundles. They come with everything you need to get the job done. Packaged in your end stay assembly, you get your 65 nominal ball post, your bracing stay, your threaded rod and nuts, and your heavy duty galvanized steel plate. The 65 nominal ball steel posts are 2 meters long. They're light enough to carry around site, but strong enough to be mechanically or hand driven into place. When driving your post into the ground, you want to put them 800 millimeters into the ground, giving you 1200 millimeters out of ground to work with. Your bracing stay connects into one of 4 pre-drilled holes. This then connects into your heavy duty galvanized steel plate and is tensioned into place using your threaded rod and nut, giving you a strong, secure place to start your fencing project. The corner stay assembly is modelled with the same design as the end stay assembly, except this time you get 2 of the bracing stays, 2 of the threaded rod and nut, and 2 of the heavy duty galvanized steel plates. The install of the additional bracing stay and threaded rod are made easy by using the 4 pre-drilled holes already on your post. 1200 millimeters from your top of your post, you have 4 pre-drilled holes that are designed for your threaded rod. These are staggered in height, making install much easier. The box stay assembly utilises the same steel posts as the end and the corner stays. With the addition of a 50 nominal bracing pipe, this is connected into place using the adjustable T-brackets. Makes your box stay assembly extremely strong and fully adjustable. Every part of the Summit Steel & Wire assembly is 100% recyclable. It can be easily removed and reinstalled. Be sure to reach out to your local Summit Steel & Wire territory manager for more information.